Hello guys, my name is Saurabh Gupta, and in this video I'll show you how you can solve the problem uh, that you're getting when you're trying to connect to Steam. So when you open the Steam, it will say that cannot connect to Steam networks, or you have entered some wrong credentials, something like that. So either of these problems will be resolved with the method that I'll show you. So on Google, there are a lot of solutions that you must enter some command like natstat winsock reset and then restart your computer. Others say that you have to run the Steam as administrator, but nothing worked for me. But I read somewhere that it might be because of the Windows firewall, or some of your Steam files could be corrupted. So I came up with this solution that what you have to do if you're using Windows, then you can just go to this firewall, firewall and network protection, and you will see these three networks: domain network, private network, and public network. You have to just turn these off, all these three off, and this is temporary. All right, so turn these all three off. Domain network is also off. Private network off, and also the public network. Okay, so now you go to your Steam. If you have put it on the desktop, just go on it, right click on it, and run as administrator. All right, it will surely work. The error was already resolved for me, so it didn't take much time. But in case you are facing some error, firstly just exit the Steam, and or just close it with the task manager, and then do the said steps. And as soon as you run it as administrator, you'll see that little dialogue saying that connecting to Steam, and it will surely connect. So this is the recommended method. But if you're somehow not not if your problem is not resolved with this method, then you can try the second method that I'll show you. All right, so and now you can just turn your firewall on. All right, and still that would work. Even if you exit it and try to reconnect to the Steam, it will work with firewall on. All right, and if your firewall is managed by some other antivirus, then you can turn it off through that. And if you are using Linux or some other operating system, then also you can just Google it, that how you can turn off your firewall, and simply just turn it off for all these three networks: private, domain, and public. And then try to connect to Steam. So that was all for the first method. The second method is a bit complex and is not as much effective as the first method, because it might be possible that you face the problem again when you exit the Steam and reconnect to Steam. Then you again start facing that issue regarding connection to Steam network. So but yeah, if you want to connect it temporarily, or for a short time, then you can just try this method if the first method doesn't work for you. So just go on this Steam, right click on it, go to properties, or just on right click you will see an option of open file location. So just open it. All right, and here you will see this is this highlighted one is the Steam application. So what you have to do, you will have to copy all the files above it till Steam apps. All right, right click on it and delete. I'm not going to delete it as I'm not facing this issue, but trust me, delete it. Your games will not be deleted because they all are installed in Steam apps. We are not deleting that. Okay, so just delete from the Steam application. Oh, Steam DLL left. All right, so from Steam DLL or from here to here, Steam UI. All right, delete all these and then go and above the Steam apps, make sure you don't select the Steam apps. Okay, you have to select everything above Steam apps, not Steam apps. Okay, so you have to select all these, delete these, and then below the Steam. All right, so ultimately you will be left with only two files. One is this Steam application, the other one is that Steam apps folder. All right, so make sure you don't delete either of these two. All right, else you will have to reinstall the game and that will be a mess up. So just make sure you have these two intact. And so once you have removed all the other files or folders, just click on this Steam application, right click on it and run it as administrator. And it will take some time to update, as it will update for like 100 to 200 MB data or something like that, or yeah, so it will update it, and then you will see that you are able to connect to Steam networks. So that was it, guys. I hope that you resolve your issue with either of these methods. So yeah, thank you.